Hi, this is Team Data Pundit. Today we are presenting our solution for connecting career and technical education and North Carolina workforce needs. Our solution involves creating a dashboard that can be used by various stakeholders to link the different publicly available data sources that answer the research problem.
We'll be talking about the dashboard and I'll be taking you through the dashboard. So the dashboard we have here, the goal was to make it very, very simple and ensure that everybody, stakeholders are able to navigate around it. We added filters such that as the enrollment tab, the gender, the special populations, the national key indicators, just so that we are able to align the workforce needs and the CTE in NC. You could see the first plot here is showing the trend line of CTE enrollment from 2019 to 2022, and that was because of the availability of data set we have. The second data set here is on the employment by career type or career clusters, and this is if you filter, let's say you are interested in looking at the gender, you can filter by female, you see the changes. If you're interested in the participant or concentrator, you can also do that. The special populations, you can also, let me clear out those filters. You can also filter by special populations, and special populations include English language learners, homeless individuals, individuals from economically disadvantaged families, and many more different special populations. Also, we are able to, in this dashboard, we are able to look at the count of percentage of people that met growth and percentage of people that do not meet growth. Now, this is breakdown by race. You can see Asian, Black American, American, Indian American, and all of that. The next dashboard here is the industry data. The industry data here enables us to navigate what we have in the industry. You could see the unemployment rate chart. You could see the projections of 2030 employment net growth, and this has been broken down by district and by region, and you can also filter by year if you're interested in which year. We also added the top 5 largest employment industry per county and lastly is where we kind of try to match the CTE and in the industry data set. The CTE and the industry data set tells us this chart tells us that about the concentrator, the participant, and the non-CTE. And you could see that a lot of employment is in favor of people who participate or concentrated on a particular thing on a particular course. And this also can be filtered by district, county, and enrollment type. We had a trend line, we had a forecasted trend line where we use a time series analysis, and that is what we have here, annual unemployment rate. And lastly, the enrollment the enrollment growth for each of this industry. You could see once you filter by any of these things changes. So the goal here is to be able to navigate around to tell a story, and we hope that this dashboard is able to help the stakeholders, Governor Roy Cooper, in looking into spaces, areas where needs to be that has lag that needs to be worked on. And we hope this dashboard is really helpful. Thank you so much. And data team, we appreciate the time opportunity given to us.